property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals, and this time we're showcasing Unit 5 at number 8 Seaview Street, Kingscliff. It's located right in town, right in the commercial area of Kingscliff, and here's the property here is circled. This unit is located on the top floor at the rear of the building. Here's how it presents from the street, and as we go inside and into the unit itself, you step into a foyer, then into a dining room. Beyond that, there's a lounge room, split system air conditioner on the wall, 2 ceiling fans, one in the lounge, one in the dining. Beyond the dining is the kitchen. It's also got dishwasher, plenty of cupboards and drawers. And from here we'll go out to the balcony. It's got ocean glimpses, both southeast and towards the northeast. Main bedroom is at the east end of the building. Features an ensuite bathroom and walk-in robe. Second bedroom with ceiling fan and built-ins. And third bedroom as well with ceiling fan and built-ins. Main bathroom sees a spa bath, shower, separate toilet and internal laundry to the building. If you require more information on viewing this property, then please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals, email them for viewing times, or visit our website for more photos and information at salesandrentals.com.au.